Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by preparing your environment. Install Termux or Pidroid 3 now because they give you a Linux-like shell and Python runtime. Once done, grant storage permission and link a Google Drive folder or local path so notebooks persist. Make sure Android is 8, 0 or higher, and you have at least 2 GB free. This prevents install failures. Finally, if you plan to use ADB or advanced installs, enable developer options and USB debugging before proceeding. You will now install Jupyter. Open Termux, run apt update and apt upgrade, then pip install Jupyter Lab or Jupyter. Once installed, run Jupyter Notebook generate config and set a password with Jupyter Notebook password so your server is secure. Next, edit the config to bind to 127, 0, 0, 1 for local use or 0, 0, 0, 0 for network access, and choose a port like 8888. Make sure to pip install common libs such as NumPy, Pandas, and any kernels you require. You finish by launching the server. Run Jupyter Lab or Notebook with no browser and specify port equals 8888 so it stays in Termux. Once running, open Chrome on the device and go to http://localhost 8888 or create an SSH tunnel from another device to forward port 8888. Make sure file permissions allow writing to your notebook folder. If something breaks, check the server logs for errors, confirm you have enough free RAM, and restart Termux.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.